Okay, here's the forward bow blocks on a 1965 Alcort Sunfish WAVE. There's port, there's the mast tube, and there's starboard. One of the things about the mast tube, sometimes the polyester resin can chip off and you start getting light spots. So you want to come in there with some extra resin and fill in those chips that will get into the fiberglass and seal it up, otherwise the water can start leaking there. So this port block is still in place, but this starboard block is not. It's floating around loose, so we're going to come in there, put it back in place, pour some new foam. So just give you a spin around here. Maybe looking at the daggerboard trunk. Back around to the starboard side and back up to the bow.